Daikon radish is a surprisingly addictive vegetable that can be prepared in so many ways. Today's my addictive izakaya-style salad is made with strips of crunchy daikon radish mixed with tuna mayo and drizzled with a delicious tangy homemade dressing. Let's start by preparing about a quarter of a daikon radish, peel the skin and then cut a flat edge to stop it from rolling. Cut into thin slices like this. I would say this is about 300 grams and serves 2 to 4 people depending on the portion size. Stack the slices together and cut long matchsticks. Stacking makes the process faster, but make sure to hold them firmly to prevent them from slipping. Once they're all cut, place them in a mixing bowl and sprinkle with half teaspoon of salt. Mix by hand to evenly distribute it and then set it aside for 5 minutes. While we wait, let's make the dressing. Take a pourable container and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar, half tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, half tablespoon of olive oil, half tablespoon of sesame seeds, half teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of garlic paste, or half the amount of freshly grated garlic cloves, and white pepper to taste. Whisk those together and place in the refrigerator until it's time to serve. After 5 minutes, you will find that daikon has started releasing liquid. Squeeze it thoroughly and then throw the liquid away. The salt draws out the moisture and softens the bitterness of the daikon, so this is an important step. 5 minutes is minimum, but you can rest for longer if you have time. Once you've squeezed out as much water as you can, place daikon in a new bowl and add 70 grams of canned tuna and 1 tablespoon of Japanese mayonnaise. Then mix it well. You can use tuna in oil or brine depending on your preference, but make sure to squeeze the tuna thoroughly before you add it to the bowl, otherwise the salad will be too watery. Once it's all covered, we can transfer it to a serving bowl. Pour the prepared dressing over the top like this. I also like to add a sprinkle of bonito flakes and some kizami nori for some extra seafoody flavour. And that's it, super easy, quick and addictive izakaya style daikon salad. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you want to read the written version, you can find a link to my printable recipe on the screen. And if you're interested in more salad videos, check out salad playlist on the screen too. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.